it's time for a new meal prep video. I'm excited to get back into routine. This summer there has been a lot going on and we've spent a lot of time at the summer cottage, so that's why I haven't meal prepped as much, but I'm excited to get back to it. And I also know many of you are getting back to work from summer holidays or back to school, so I hope this video is helpful. And as always, let's start by meal prepping breakfast. For breakfast, I'm making blended chocolate overnight oats. Not everyone likes the texture of overnight oats, so these are a perfect solution for that. They taste like having a healthy chocolate pudding for breakfast.
These overnight oats are super easy to make. I just add all the ingredients into a blender. Oats, chia seeds, which are a great source of healthy fats and fiber. Then I add cacao powder for that chocolatey flavor. Next, I add milk, low-fat Greek yogurt, and lastly, maple syrup for sweetness. Then I just blend until creamy. I divide the mixture into glass jars. I add some berries on top. Today I'm meal prepping for 3 days and I'm making meals for my boyfriend and I, so there are 6 servings in each meal. I like to meal prep for 3 days so that the foods stay fresh in the fridge and I don't need to eat the same foods every single day of the week. On Thursdays, I often do a mini meal prep and prep some meals for the rest of the week.
Now I'm making another batch of the oats since I couldn't fit all 6 servings at once into the blender.
And here are all the ready overnight oats. I store these in the fridge. For lunch, I'm prepping pesto pasta salad jars. First, I cook some lentil pasta. I like to use lentil pasta since it's high in protein and fiber. Chickpea pasta is a great option as well. For the dressing, I mix together pesto, Greek yogurt, and chopped green onions. I divide the dressing into 6 glass jars. I'm showing 4 jars here, but I made 2 more and filmed that for a short form video. Next, I add the cooled down pasta. And mini mozzarellas. Lots of cherry tomatoes. And lastly, arugula. I store these jars in the fridge. These are such a great lunch idea that you can take to work. As the dressing is in the bottom of the jar, the veggies won't get soggy. Before serving, I just mix all the ingredients together. Super simple and delicious.
And now for snack, I'm gonna prep peanut butter flavored protein balls.
First, I add some unsweetened creamy peanut butter. The one I use is 100% made of peanuts. Then I add 2 tablespoons of maple syrup. You could also use honey. Next I add oat flour. Almond flour would work well too. Then I add peanut butter flavored protein powder. If you don't have protein powder, you could just add more oat flour. Instructions are in the description. And lastly, I add some milk. I recommend adding less milk first and then adding more if needed. Then I just roll the mixture into balls. I store these in the fridge. Such an easy and yummy snack.
And lastly, for dinner, I'm gonna prep Korean beef bowls.
First, I mix the ingredients together for the sauce. I add a low sodium soy sauce, some honey, sesame oil, ground ginger, pinch of pepper, and chili flakes. Next, I steam some broccoli. I don't have a steamer, so I used a pan. I add water to the bottom of the pan, bring it to boil, and add the broccoli to the pan. I cover it with a lid and let cook on medium heat for about 8 minutes. Meanwhile, I cook the rice. When the broccoli is cooked, I remove it from the pan and wipe it clean. Then I cook the ground beef. If you don't have IBS like me, you could add some garlic to this as well. When the ground beef is cooked, I pour the sauce into the pan and let it simmer for a few minutes. Next, I just divide the broccoli, rice, and beef into containers and store in the fridge. You can reheat it on the pan or in the microwave. I like to serve it with chopped green onions. Such an easy and delicious meal. And here are all the ready meals.
Those were all the meals I meal prepped today, and as always, the written recipes are in the description box. Let me know in the comments what kind of meal prep recipes you would want to see next. I hope you tried the recipes. Enjoy!